Today is Friday, February 16th. They're going to start on the travertine coping, and apparently they need to cut every one of these pieces in half before they put them on there. Looks like they got to clean all of that wall or surface off, and we'll see what happens. Hope it turns out good. It looks to me like they have 45 psi in these pipes right now for their test. Hopefully it'll hold up. Getting the pool cleaned out. And starting to set the travertine coping. So right now, I'm trying to place the three shear descents equidistant apart over here.
How does that look?